1926, directed by Buster Keaton. Clyde Bruckman wore the General 23 of 28 Civil War movies, list 75 of 81, the most patriotic movies of all time. Abbott and Costello meet Frankenstein. Released 1948, directed by Charles Barton Moore. Abbott and Costello meet Frankenstein. 291 of 722, the best horror movies of all time. 63 of 105, the best Halloween movies for kids. His Girl Friday. His Girl Friday. City Lights. City Lights. Bananas. Released 1971, directed by Woody Allen. Or Bananas. 29 of 62, the funniest movies about politics. 273, 340, the best political films ever made. Nutty Professor. The Nutty Professor. High Anxiety. Released 1977, directed by Mel Brooks. A Shot in the Dark. A Shot in the Dark. Up in Smoke. Up in Smoke. Duck Soup. Released 1933, directed by Leo McCarey. Strangelove, or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb. Strangelove, or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb. It's a mad, 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 mad world. It's a mad, 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 mad world. Pink Panther. Released 1963, directed by Blake Edwards. The Jerk. The Jerk. History of the World, Part I. Released 1981, directed by Mel Brooks. Monty Python's Life of Brian. Young Frankenstein. Young Frankenstein. Airplane. Blazing Saddles. Blazing Saddles.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.